Good morning, makadiakan akon palalab, may dakigahatag nga guti nga bekad. Hit iya birthday nga hen advance celebration hit aton Valentine's Day. Good morning, my dear. Hello. Happy birthday, Nit. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Wow. Good afternoon. Mabidyo, picture lang. Hello, batch 69. Medanera, Koroan. Special day. Koroan. Advance Happy Valentine's to everyone. Orang kumain kata terbuk.
Ano?
Asya. Yang alimut akin pagterbuk ka, na ini yang nakabidyo na.
Ini na dito na ako. Bawa.
Ako na lang.
Pagpapalambot. Almost it.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy
Day to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Lord, are you?
Thank you.
Mamagay ko mag-Valentino.
Hindi niya nga limta.
Ay, ere na pa. Parang bata na ka naman. Ayaw, ito
Sige,
kayo
pwede na.
kan ay. Ano wala ko ito mo pinapaglalakad ko rin sinasaritan. Ay.
Sige, buka.
Sige. Ay, ito nga. Pagkukulawan tayo din hakuan.
Ay, upload ko eh. Sige, gan.
Oo. Anong patanwaran?
El Caminero, the road man.
El Caminero.
Di kahit malilipit, kinakadtuan naman yan to.
Kasi nangingitag din yung kinakadtuan.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Mads.
Ma'am.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. Kasing mo kami.
Miss Aquino, thank you for coming and happy Valentine's in advance. How about the celebrant, my dear? What will you say, my dear? You have to entertain your group as a band.
Thank you.